It's a rainy day today. The kids kept asking to go outside, but I wasn't taking them out in this weather, and Anaya kept saying she wanted something new to do. So I've gone out and picked up some rainy day supplies. Let's see how we get on. Gonna try and entertain the kids indoors for the day.
Orange one.
Yeah, we're doing some colour sorting. Well done, Anaya. You're doing all the orange first.
What?
Yeah, where does red go? Yeah, well done, Adil.
Hey, that's mine.
Adil, what colour is it?
Green.
Yeah, well done. Where's purple go, Anaya?
And the purple box.
Well done.
I don't got the colours.
Yeah, let's put them nearer so Adil can get to it. Adil, no, what colour is that? That's not orange. What colour is this?
Red.
Red. Adil, look, your top's red. It's red like your top.
Hey.
Yeah, well done.
My snowman.
Yeah.
Her.
You got lots of colours in your jumper now. You got red, green, and blue.
And orange.
Yeah.
Don't forget the carrot.
Yeah. Well done. We're nearly finished. Nearly finished. Good teamwork, Anaya and Adil.
You're welcome. This one goes in the green.
Adil, well done.
Nearly finished.
Nearly
One more
finished.
stick to go. It's orange.
I don't think Adil's done any orange. Let me put some orange and purple for Adil.
Hey, this don't go in the green one. This goes in the purple one.
Yeah.
And this goes in the red
Adil, what colour is that? Adil, what colour is that?
one.
It's orange. Go there. Well done. Nice work. Only two more sticks. Adil, what colour is that? Where's green go?
Oh, yeah.
No. Orange go there. Where green go? Where does green go?
Here.
Let's see if Adil puts it in the right box. Well done, Adil. There you go. Just put it on the top. It's got full.
Hello.
Right, let's tidy it up. It's finished. We've done that one. Let's try something else now. Will you help me put that in the box?
Of course.
Adil, put all the sticks. Put everything in here. And I put all the sticks in here. Let's tidy this up. Put all the boxes and the sticks in here.
This goes here.
Yeah, you can put them there.
This goes here. This goes here.
Oh, well done, Adil. Adil's coming to put it in the box. Well done, Adil. Put all the sticks in.
I want what's next.
I'll tell you. Once you tidied all the sticks into the box, I'll bring out something else.
Sand.
Yeah.
Sand is first.
Sand is what we're doing next. Well done.
I know everything about stuff. I'm Anaya.
You're Anaya.
Yeah.
You're my clever clogs. You're clever, aren't you?
Yes, I am very clever. I think things.
Yeah, you're very good at tidying. You're very good at helping me.
Yes, I'm
And
very.
Adil's very good at helping. Thank you, Adil. Tidying up.
You're welcome, Mama.
Okay, let me get the sand now. We have sand.
Wow.
Let me get it ready. Anaya, I want you to draw a circle in the sand, please. Well done. Now we're going to let Adil have a turn. Goes like this, Adil. Adil, finger. Give me your finger. We like this. We do a circle. Adil, do a circle. And then Anaya to shake it. We do this. We just do this. Adil, try a circle. Yeah. Anaya, can you write the number 1?
Okay.
It's like this. Big line down. Yeah. Let Adil have a go 1 minute. Well done. Now let Adil have a go 1 minute. Adil, give me your hand. We're going to do a circle, and let me show Adil a circle. Finger down. That's a circle.
Let me have a go.
Yeah, you have a go. That's a very big circle, Anaya. Adil, you want to try? Adil, you want to try drawing? Adil, you want to put your finger in and go do a line like this?
What are you making?
That's nice drawing in the sand, Anaya. Yeah, Adil, have a go. What color is the sand, Adil?
Purple.
What color? Yeah.
Purple.
Adil, can you say purple? Look, Adil, have a go. Adil doesn't like getting his fingers dirty. Adil keeps wiping. Adil, you're meant to be right-handed. This way. And I let Adil have a go. Well done for tidying it. And Adil's turn. Adil, this hand. No, Adil, this hand. Right hand. Well done, Aya. Look. Should we write the letter A? Let me show you what the A is like for Anaya and Adil. A. Let Adil go. Adil, do this. No, that's what the sand's going to go back into when we tidy it up. Yeah, well done, Adil. What color is the sand?
Sand.
What? Yes, sand. What color is it? Purple. Say purple.
Huh?
Say purple.
I don't know.
It's okay. And now you want to put the sticks in the sand? Come on, bring some sticks into the sand. You can maybe write with a stick. Look. That's an A. Adil, try writing. And now you try writing with the stick.
I need to put more sticks.
No, will you help me actually? Will you put the sticks back in this bag?
No.
No, because I don't want them all in with the sand.
Don't be silly.
Don't be silly. You're going to have to tidy it up after.
Don't be silly.
Okay, I won't be silly. You'll tidy it up after, okay?
Okay. Hold on, Mama.
Adi, will you put some sticks in here?
Mm-mm.
He's saying no too. Nobody wants to put some sticks in the bag.
No.
If you put them all on top of the sand, how will you play with the sand?
Don't be silly. Don't be silly. Hold on.
That's better. Now it's in the middle so you can both play.
Yes.
Tell me when you want to play with something else.
Okay. I don't want to play something else now.
Okay, you like the sand.
I don't want to play cards.
I'm not playing cards.
I can find some more.
You found some more sticks. Okay. Thank you, Anaya.
I'm red.
What colour is your favourite?
My color is orange.
That's not orange in your hand. What colour is that?
Purple.
Yeah, is that your favourite?
Yes. I love purple. Purple is sun. So me.
Who knew a little box and some sand would keep them entertained for so long? You've done really well to not make a mess and keep it in the box. I'm very happy with you. You have to keep it in the box, okay?
Okay.
Because if it spills, we're not getting any more sand.
Oh.
So we have to keep it in the box, because then it's going to go back in the bag. Adil, are you happy? You like this?
Hello, are you happy outside?
He said he's happy, Anaya. Adil, you like this?
Yeah.
Say, I like it.
Okay.
I like it.
Coming, Nano. Wow.
Adil is making no attempt of stopping. You want to put this away?
No.
You want to tidy up?
No, no.
Adi playing? Should we tidy this up? Okay. Okay, Adi, play here. Play here. I'll give you a few more minutes before we tidy it up.
I'm here.
I got some messy mats so that we can do some colouring on the table. Let's open this. My little helper.
Okay, Mama.
Do you need help?
No.
Okay, you open that one, I'll open this one. Okay, other one's blue. And which colour do you want?
Pink.
Okay, let me open. We got the table set up ready for some colouring. Let me open it for you.
Have some more now. Have some more now.
Yeah, what other colour do you want? But you have to find the lid for the pink one. You dropped it.
Done.
Look on the floor.
Done. Where did they put the pink ring?
I don't know. You need to find it.
It's not on the table.
Let me look 1 second. Anaya? Anaya, can Adil have the purple, please?
Okay.
Thank you, Anaya.
I want you.
Okay, good sharing, Anaya.
You're welcome. Wow, I opened it by myself.
Yeah, very good. Adil, you need help or can you open it?
Hello. Biba.
Purple! So what you tried to say? Other color with your right hand. Ask Anaya. Ask Anaya for blue. Ask Anaya. Anaya, can you have the blue? Adil, right hand, right hand, right hand. Well done. Now color. Well done. You need to do it like this. There you go. Well done. No, your right hand. Are you left-handed? Adil, can you try with this hand? No. Try holding pen in this hand. Hold in this hand. Now draw. Now draw. No. I give up. It's nice colouring, Anaya.
Yes.
What are you drawing?
I'm drawing a beautiful bike.
A bike. Nice.
Starting with all the colours.
Yeah, you're doing lots of colours. Adil, you going to draw?
I don't know what grey is. I don't know what grey is.
He doesn't know what grey is now.
Oh.
It's okay, we can clean your hands after. Adil, what colour?
Paper.
Purple. Adil going to do drawing? Well done, Adil.
Done.
Done. Green? Ask Anaya nicely. Oh, Anaya, very good sharing. Thank you. That's the way he grabs it. Thank you, Anaya. Show me green. Adil. No, Anaya's using purple. She just got to. No, green. Show me green. Anaya. Anaya. Anaya, can Adil have purple, please?
I'm going to use the pink.
Okay, you use the pink. What do you want? Purple lid. Are you having fun?
Yes. We both having fun.
Oh, that's nice. No, not in your mouth, Adil.
You can only put food in your mouth.
Well done, Anaya.
We don't put crayons and ribbons in your pen.
No, we don't put... Adil's doing his hand. Let me help him. Adil, are you having fun? Adil, are you happy? Adil, you like it? Adil, do you like colouring? He's in blue.
I'm not finished yet.
That's okay. You can keep colouring. You tell me. Adil's done. Is this Adil's picture?
Give me big. Okay. Hello. 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 I'm not putting it all the way up.
Yeah, you only do it a little bit. I know, Adil. Yeah, Adil keeps asking for every colour that you pick up, Anaya. Have purple. Anaya, look at all the colours. Adil, you've done it.
No.
Is it not closed?
Not yet.
It needs winding down, that's why.
I'm not done yet.
Not done yet. It looks very nice. I don't have purple. It must have fallen. Oh, there it is.
Purple. Purple for you.
Thank you.
Purple for me.
You like colouring?
Yes, I like coloring with Adele.
That's nice. wait. Stop. Adil, have pink.
No.
Adil, have green. Anaya. Adil, you're dirtying your clothes. I don't even know if these wash off. Okay, here. And Anaya's giving Adil purple.
I want pink.
Okay.
Pink.
Right, are we nearly finished?
No,
Adil, you finished?
I'm not finished.
You're not finished yet. Adil, you want to colour or you finished? Okay, last one, then we're going to eat our lunch.
I want pasta and cheese.
Yeah, we're going to eat pasta. Finish. Right.
Are you eating pasta with ketchup?
No, I'm eating pasta.
With sauce?
Yeah, it's in a sauce.
I'm not finished yet.
Okay, I'm going to stop now. Say bye-bye. Look at the phone and say bye-bye.
No, I want to do some.
You can do some more, but I'm stopping the video. Say bye-bye. Do you like these?
Yes.
Do you like these pens?
Yes.
Look, I bought these metallic paint sticks and they're very good.
Gold.
It's gold. Do you want silver?
Called gray.
Grey.
Oh, green and beautiful.
Right, and after this, your painting is finished. We need to do eating. We need to eat our lunch. Okay?
I don't think pasta was spicy sauce.
Yeah, I'm eating pasta. Mama, open. Here, Adil. I'll put these two away now. And then we can play after, okay? After we eat. Okay? Everybody happy?
Yes.
Everybody having a nice day?
Yes.
Adil, you having a nice day? What do you want, the lid? Adil, you having a nice day?
I want yours.
Okay, say bye-bye.
I want silver.
Okay, you get your silver. Can you say bye-bye so I can end this video? We can play something after.
Bye-bye.
Adil, say bye-bye.
No.
No? You don't want to say bye-bye? Adil's too busy. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. You finished? Let's see. Wow, Adil. Nice picture. Have you finished? Adil's finished his and you finished yours?
Yes.
Show me your picture, Naya.
Look, I made a bicycle.
You made a bicycle. It's a colourful bicycle. Adil, you finished?
I finished.
Well done. You had a nice time colouring?
Yes.
Okay, let's put these away.
We can break her in half.
Yeah. Go on, all done.
That's my
Anaya's
picture.
painting is finished. And Adil's.